Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so action mode runs reliably. Plug in or ensure battery is at least 50% and free up 1 GB of storage. Next, open settings, go to camera, and enable action mode. That switch activates enhanced stabilization and motion sampling. Once done, set your device on a tripod or use a firm grip to reduce shake. Make sure Gyro Assist is on to capture smoother frames as you begin recording. You now configure capture settings for consistent motion. Choose 1080p at 60 fps for fast action or 4K at 30 fps to preserve detail. Then lock autofocus and adjust exposure compensation so brightness doesn't jump mid-take, because stable focus plus steady exposure prevents jittery auto adjustments. When filming, move deliberately, plan short, smooth arcs or tracks in 3 to 5 second bursts. This lets action mode blend. You finish by reviewing and refining clips. Trim the first and last half to 1 second to remove transient blur from movement. Export using stabilization enabled and pick H. 264 or HEVC for best balance of quality and file size, because these codecs retain motion detail while keeping files manageable. If you still see wobble or skew, toggle Gyro Assist off and on, then re-record a short retake. That simple reset often clears calibration glitches and restores smooth results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.